Hello, Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US, and today I have another product review for you, also new cards that I have created. So let's get started. Here I have a die cut sheet for you. This is a Moorhead die cut sheet, and we have 4 embellishments on one sheet, and I made 4 cards with it, so I like to share them with you. I thought this would be a great die cut sheet for Valentine's Day cards. So first we have this cute little angel popping out of this gift box with a heart in her hand, and all I did is I used a little bit of paper, layered it up of course, some glitter borders and some glitter glue, and here's a card. With love, this sentiment is also a sticker that you can find in my store. The next one, I used this cute little fairy with the heart, and this came out so adorable. And again, just a little bit of pretty paper. You layer it. There are only 3 steps, so these cards come together very quickly, and the steps are numbered, so that should be easy enough. And then the other 2 embellishments, I made spring cards. So here we have the cute little flower fairy, and also this cute little flower fairy. Now, as you remember, these are the new cards I have in my store that have this beautiful waved line on it, this design. This comes in a pack of 6 different colors. And since she holds this little wand here, I thought with the stars, this makes a beautiful card. And then a little bit of bling, a sticker, and we have 4 cards from one die cut sheet. Now I like to share with you my new cards that I have for you. These are lace printed cards, and there are 6 to a pack with the envelopes, and they come in 6 different beautiful pastel colors, and you can see how the lace is printed on those cards, so it looks very, very pretty. And we have a pink and a light green, light orange, blue, purple, and champagne. And these cards are a little bit bigger than 6 by 6, so let's see. There are 6 1/4, or a little less, by, so they are square, yeah, by 6 1/4. So it's good that they have the envelopes that they fit in there. But I thought they were so pretty, and if you put a 3D embellishment on there, and I have a card here in a minute, you'll see what an impact that makes. And then also these new cards, these have the crystal layers on top, so this is the crystal layer set. There are 5 cards to a set, and they have this beautiful diamond shimmer on the paper, so this is beautiful cardstock. And again, these are muted colors. You can see the camera, I think, picks it up pretty well. They come with these crystal layers that are glittered, so basically you can put them on your card with double-sided tape, and then put an embellishment in the middle, and here you go. And these are different layers. Each one is just a little bit different. So we have these beautiful glittered acetate card layers, and they even have a round one and another square one. And then also we have these inners, so you can use them with the card. So here's the one for the orange one. You can use it with the card, or you can just use it as a topper for another card. But they are beautiful, and I have made a couple of sample cards. So here I used the lace card, this light orange, just a little bit of background paper. Here's the layer, And then of course you remember these beautiful unicorns that I introduced last year, that I still have a few remaining, not many, but a few remaining in the shop. And I like these because they're big, so we already know this is a 6x6 card, and the layer itself here, this topper, is 3¼ inches, so that makes a beautiful impact. And then also I use the green lace card. Again, I used a little bit of background paper, and then these beautiful moon-shaped moonsicle flowers, and they also come in a pack of 10. They are large, that's why they are called XL, flowers in half a circle. Yeah, and there are many different beautiful half wreaths, I would say. Yeah, and you can see here it is layered, just a little card, and this one here says "for you," so this could also make a nice Valentine's card, birthday, even Easter if you put a little Easter bunny here. So these are my new cards that I have in the shop, and then of course the embellishments that go beautifully with those cards. Here I have a couple of die cut sheets. They come 4 in a pack. These are by Fundamentals, and we have 2 sheets of each design. And I thought these were perfect for Valentine's and spring birthdays. What I like is that these sheets are highly glittered. So the first variety, we have this beautiful bird with the roses and the forget-me-nots, and then lots of different rose designs and a couple of sentiments. So you have several designs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one sheet that you can use as card toppers. And you can see how easy they come out. I mean, they're falling out of their little frame here. And this is one, and then the other one has a little bigger designs. We have these beautiful tulips here, also a sentiment, perfect for Valentine's, and this chrysanthemum. And like I said, what I like is there's lots of glitter on it. Now this glitter is not the one that doesn't come off, because I did see a little bit in the bag, very little though. So I mean, I don't have it on my finger, but I personally love glitter. So I wanted to share something with you. When I grew up in the 70s, we collected what we called scraps, and I still have my collection, and here it is. So this is straight from the 70s, and see all this glitter. I think at this time I fell in love with these little pictures and how they had this beautiful silver glitter on it, and then we exchanged them as kids. They also came non-glittered, so I have this one, these pixies and fairies with no glitter, but they came glittered and non-glittered, and of course the ones that had the glitter on, they were valued higher, so you may exchanged one glittered one and you got 3 without glitter for them. Anyway, I thought this was fun to share with you, because that's where my love for all these pretty pictures come from. And I did make a card with this set. I used this beautiful bird, made a birthday card, but this could easily be a Valentine's card too, I'm sure. And all I did is I used some pretty paper for my card, a little bit of ribbon, a couple of heart designs, and then I layered the bird, and I think it came out so shabby chic, so pretty, and of course lots and lots of glitter. So if you're not a glittery person, this set is not for you, but if you like glitter, here you go. Here is a 6x6 paper pack I would like to share with you. It is by Scrapberries, called The Art of Nature. It has 12 single-sided sheets, 12 designs, so 12 unique sheets, and you can tell with the birds and the flowers, this is a spring paper pack for all your spring projects. So we have these beautiful meadow flowers, the greens and the yellows and the pinks, and this would make a beautiful addition to our crystal layers that we had just looked at. See, this is the card I made, so it's something similar to the background paper. And we have, like I said, 12 designs with the spring flowers. There are birdies, yellow, a little gray. Yeah, stunning art. Actually, it's like this. See the beautiful bird. And these overall designs. Sometimes you only need a border. So yeah, this is a very, very pretty paper pack that I thought I want to give you a chance to see closed up. So if you need, I know we all have plenty of paper, but if you need a little bit more paper for spring, then the Art of Nature Scrapberries is perfect, and I link it in the info box below. And to finish it off today, I'm sharing with you my newest Easy 3D toppers. First, we have the cute cats, and this is of course for all of our cat lovers out there. These are really cute. You have 10 designs in each bag with 3 layers. Here we have the kitty playing with the yarn. We have the fishbowl. This looks like my buddy, the kitty that I currently have with the goldfish. Then we have the butterflies and the kitty, balloons, so adorable. We have a couple here sitting in the basket, sharing the food with a little mouse, and a cute kitty in a boot. Also looks like my Maxwell, which has already passed on, but he was one of my favorite kitties. Here we have one in a suitcase, on the sofa, and a couple of kitties. So lightly glittered, and of course for all of our cat lovers out there. And we also have some birds, and there are 10 designs in here, and I really don't know the names of all the birds, but I do know the woodpecker right here. And they sit with spring flowers, so that's why I thought they make a great addition to your spring cards. And then I thought I'm gonna share with you a first glimpse of the Easter 3Ds, the 3D toppers that have arrived. This one here is called Spring Feelings, and it's not just totally Easter. You can already start using it for your spring cards. You have some flowers and an Easter egg, and then a wreath, and some Easter bunnies, cats, birds, a pooch, a basket with a couple eggs in it. So very pretty. You could use them right now. It doesn't have to be for an Easter card, but I thought I'll let you take a look here. Over the next few weeks, I will share with you all the new Easter Easy 3D that have arrived and are already available in the shop, because there are many and beautiful. So I made one card with a bird today, and here it is. This one is a Valentine's card, and I didn't use 3D foam pads this time, but a little wobbler that I put underneath, and so you can wobble this bird. Alright, and this is for today. I hope you liked my products and my cards. Thank you for spending some time with me today again. I hope you liked my cards and my new products. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to join us on Facebook so we can all see your products. You can upload them to share with the other crafters, so that's how we inspire each other. And until next time, thanks again, and I see you later. Bye!